Here is my blue Lasko 20-inch Cool Colors box fan. So this was a birthday gift that I got back in 2018. So this fan that I've seen constantly at Walmart when I go to Walmart. I go there every single year, and I got one of these. They also had this in black back then, and they also had it in purple, I think. In the early years, the early models of these box fans, they did have the blue color, but instead of the grills back then were white, while the rest of the fan was colored. But until they changed that, I think a year later after that, and now today I did saw that they changed this box fan. Like now it's a lighter blue cool color. Now it's like a lightish blue, but I saw on Walmart's website it's listed as a Laguana blue. I think that was the color. I forgot the model number of this, so I will put that model number in the video's title. And you can see that I did color the Lasko logo on the box fan, so that way you can just see it a little bit, see it a bit better. So this box fan, along with my Holmes Box Fan, they are the only box fans that I have in my collection. I don't have any sort of plan to have another box fan in my collection, since I'm not that really interested in box fans that much. But even though I find them kind of cool, but maybe collect the vintage box fans, but don't know if I will get those or not. Anyways, I'll turn it on now. So I'll start it off with its low. Side and the feet. Yeah, it looks like the feet came off. Let's get a close look at it. So it does have that carry handle and the speed switch here on the top. And there's some little staining on it. Keep forgetting that I cleaned that off. Here's the feet that just came off. Sometimes the feet does came off. Let's go back again. They got the paint on it, so it can't come off. And here's the back. You can see in the light. See, there's the motor. This box fan can be used in Windows since it has a weather resistant motor. And and it does have the feet. Let me get this feet back on. The feet always comes off every time when I move this thing. There. Okay, so now the feet came on. And it is a little dusty in there, as you can see. And also, I think I can also see there's some like discoloring inside the metal. Even though this thing has not been used indoors. I mean, outdoors. You get the top of the fan and then so I can see what it says on there. It's upside down. There's some information on here, but I don't know if you can read that. I can barely read this, but some parts right here of this is rubbed out. And it does show it is, listed. Let's get it motor start up. This is a powerful fan. And there's all the wires that goes up to the switch. Alright. Well, that would be it for this video of the Lasko Cool Colors 20-inch box fan in blue from 2018. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in the next video. Take care, everybody.